Good afternoon, students. I hope you all are safe in your homes, right? And this is Shalini, teacher, here you to say a warm welcome to 10th standard IT subject, Information Technology. I know you all are interested in IT practical classes, right? But it is not possible to do in this situation. Don't worry, in this online class I will show you all the theory and practical classes. Okay, for that you should follow all the instructions I'm giving you and you should do all the homeworks. Okay, we want 200 pages of unruled notebook. Make that book in one side for theory, another side for practical. That already we done in the last years, right? Don't have any confusion. See, in this year we have 10 chapters. In that 3 chapters contained totally theory based chapter, but another 7 chapter we have an interesting, very interesting chapters that are web designing, graphic designing, documentation, database and wonderful animations too. So we don't have much time to waste. Let's go over our first chapter, World of Designing. What is designing? Did you heard about the word designing? What is designing? We'll do one thing. We'll watch a video, then we'll come back.
When people think of design, they often think an elegant chair, a well-turned logo, dramatic architecture. But that isn't all that design is. Design is more. It's more than the drapes or the drop shadows, more than a beautiful UI or a rad concept car. Design is more than aesthetics, much more. Design is fundamental. It's the predilection to investigate and understand. It's the compulsion to give form to ideas and make sense of disorder. Design is the ability to amend the imperfect. Design is knowing what questions to ask and how to ask them. What's the right problem to solve? How do I solve it? Why should I solve it? In a world in which anyone can now build anything, design is understanding whether something is worth building at all. If you've ever built, tested, shipped, debugged, rebuilt, or reshipped anything, then you're a designer. And there has never been a better moment in history to be a designer. Now is your time to solve real and important problems, to start great and enduring companies, to use curiosity, creativity, and craft to elevate lives. Because design at its core is optimistic. It's the call to change what is into what ought to be. It is the attempt to make heart and mind into tools of mass construction, to build a better, wiser, more just, more beautiful world. Design is your gift and your responsibility. Design is the way.
Okay, did you watch the video? What are the design? What kind of designing you find out in that video? So we can say simply designing is an expression of idea, right? We'll go for some more examples. See, fashion designing. It is focused on costumes, right? Another one is interior designing. What is interior designing? Arrangements of the houses or office. That we can say interior designing. Then web designing. What is web designing? To make the website pages in the internet, right? Did you remember this picture? This web design we done in the last year for School Kalolsavam banner. Another one is poster designing. Dear students, did you remember this poster? We done in the poster in the last year, right? Against child labor. This poster we done in the GIMP software. Did you remember GIMP? How we can open GIMP software? Application, graphics, GIMP, right, GNU manipulation program. So I hope you all remember what is the GIMP doing. What is that? It's a image editing software, right? Then what is image editing? Image editing means, let's see some pictures. See the picture, the bird having wonderful tiger face. Is it possible? It's so funny, right? Look at another picture. See. So we can tell changing the image as we like with the help of software called image editing. Now we are going to learn graphic designing. Then what is graphic designing? Let's see the poster. In this poster, can you find out the letters and company name and wonderful design and break the chain logo? In that picture, in the background also assigned wonderfully. Did you find out that? Let's go another picture. It's fast food banner. Did you see the fast food banner? It's created it wonderfully, right? So we can say graphic design is the process of visual communications and problem solving through the use of typography, photography, iconography and illustrations. Next, we have a request to do a banner. In this year, in this chapter, we have to do a banner for tea shop. One of the Kudumbashree unit requested to do a banner for their tea shop. And one of the point is they requested in SVG format. Why they requested in SVG format? We have lots of software, then why they requested in SVG? So we have to know what is SVG, why they prefer SVG. To know that, we should know about the types of images. In computer, we have two types of images. One is raster images, another one is vector images. We'll see, we have a picture. For example, we have a picture for honey.png. See, I'm going to zoom this picture. See what happening. I'm going to zoom this. What happening? The clarity is losing the picture, right? The clarity of the picture is going to lose, and also you can find out lots of teeny squares, right? Lots of squares. So the raster images on a computer are formed many colorful teeny squares that we can also say pixels. Okay. For creating raster images, the colors and size of each pixels will be mentioned in the program. These are also called bitmap images. So we can say raster images also bitmap images. For example, the file type is .png. We have .jpg file. Next is SVG picture. SVG, honey.svg. This also I'm going to zoom it, okay? See the difference, I'm going to zoom it. See, while zooming it, the clarity never going to lose. The clarity is not going to lose. We can see the vector image is constructed by means of defining path between 2 points, that are start point and end point. That path could be part of many geometric shapes like squares, triangle, curve. As the features including the direction are defined by equations is required, features are added accordingly to the equation in the time of scaling. So the vector images are not losing the clarity when it's scaling. Scaling means what? Expanding the size. So I hope you all understand what is raster image and the vector image. For example, vector image we can say .svg file type. See the difference of raster and the vector images. I show you the table. in that table it is mentioned raster images are reduce the clarity when it's moving to bigger size, but in the vector images never lose the clarity when it is in bigger size. At the same time, it cannot edit the bitmap images, but in the SVG format or vector image can import and edit the images. And also the raster images having bigger size, the file size is bigger than vector images. And for example, for raster images we can say the file type as .png, and for vector we can say .svg. We are going to do the SVG format or graphic design in the help of Inkscape vector graphic editing software. We are going to learn the graphic design in the help of Inkscape vector graphic software. Inkscape, LibreOffice Draw, Carbon, Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, etc. are the different type of graphics designer, means vector image editing software. In these, Inkscape and LibreOffice Draw are the free graphic image editing software. Okay. What is Inkscape? Inkscape is the free graphic editing software. It is used for creating and editing mainly for SVG images, and it can import bitmap images and edit them. It can also convert vector images to raster. Understand what is Inkscape? Did you understand till now? Here I am going to give a homework into your theory notebook. All of you write the chart. Here I am going to ask you the right or wrong questions. We have a table. Just write the tables and make the right answer for right or wrong. The question number 1 is raster images are made of pixels. Right answer, okay. And vector images lose their clarity while scaling. Is it right or wrong? And next question is vector images have smaller file size compared to raster. Write it down, okay. This is the main theory parts of the chapter. Let's go for our practical part. How we can open Inkscape? This is the way application graphic Inkscape vector graphic. In this way we can open the Inkscape software, and our first activity is making saucer. Just see the video carefully, okay.
See, this is the way we can open the Inkscape. Click application graphics Inkscape. Our activity name is making saucer. Once again I am reminding you, all of you note all the point to our practical notes, okay. See, this is the main window of the Inkscape. This is the page border, and this side we can find out the toolbox of the Inkscape. In the bottom side we can find out the color palette, okay. And this is the fill and stroke window, which giving the 3D effect to all object. Object means whichever we are going to draw here or insert here, all that element we can say as object, okay. So for making saucer, we'll draw a horizontal oval with a circle tool, okay. Then remove the selection with the selection and transform tool. To give light effect or 3D effect to the object, go to radial gradient, then select a gradient option from the toolbox. See the difference? The 3 kind of nodes appear in the object, that is one square in the middle and one circle on the means outer line of the circle. In these nodes we can change the color. Select the node and change the color. For example, we will give lighter color in the center portion of the object and darker color of the border. See the difference? From this node, by clicking this node, we can change the color effect of the object. Once it is okay, we can remove the selection. Next, we'll take the copy. For that, select the object and go to edit menu. Select duplicate option. See the duplicate is key. And also we have a shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus D. While pressing this Ctrl plus D, we can get a copy. Same kind, we have another option, right click and select duplicate. See, this is the 3 way we can take a copy or duplicate of the object from Inkscape. Here we need only one copy, so that I just delete all the other object and taking another copy. And I want to small the second object than the first object. For that, so similar size, I want to get the similar size, so that I am going to press shift and control button and just pushing the second object into inside. See the difference? To make these two objects as a one single object, we want to make a group. For that, go to object menu and select group option. See, now the object went to single. Next, we want to give a border for the oval. For that also we have to click a circle and taking one more copy, and I'm going to change the color. To get simultaneously size, I'm going to hold shift and control key and move into inside of the picture. See, now what I'm going to do here, I need only the brown part of the picture. The blue color part of the picture I'm going to crop it. For that, what I'm going to do, just listen. I'm going to select both the picture and selecting path menu. From there I'm going to select different menu. See what happened? Now I can place the curve, this circle into our object. Now I'm going to take a copy of this and make a small size, place it into a center position. Next, I want a stand for this saucer. For that, again I'm going to take a circle tool and select the same color, drawing a small horizontal oval. Now I'm going to place bottom of the first object. In this, I want to make the half portion only the half of the first object. For that, I'm going to select the oval, then select object menu. From there we want to select lower to bottom. See the difference? This is the way we can finish the saucer. Now we want to group all the object. For that, select all the object and go to object menu, select group option. Now it become a single object. We can move it anywhere. Next we want to save the file. For that, click on file menu, select save option. Where we have to save it? Student worker 10th. Then give proper file name and select a save. Now one activity is done here.
Okay students, I hope you understand how to make the saucer in Inkscape. This is enough for the session. We'll meet you soon in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe.